channel. It's been a while. I know. So in this video I decided to like just give you guys some clue on what I've been doing, what has been going on in my life. It's not been much, but it's been a lot. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Mwah. So I decided to relax my hair because it's giving me a lot to worry about. I have been thinking about this for a year, if not more than, to relax or not to relax. Let me just show you guys what I look like. Can I see this hair? You don't even want to know. You do not even want to know. Let me give you a top, because what in heaven's name is this? I can't deal anymore. Like, taking care of it is a mess as well. It's time consuming. I would need to keep braiding, combing, applying products. It's just too stressful for me. I think I'd rather take that time to relax my hair every month than going through that. Nah. relaxed, and so far I have not regretted it. Maybe because I just did the all back immediately after. I feel like this would be a less stressful life for me. First ever egusi that I cooked myself. First ever.